Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on signing out of all logged in devices on Mobile Legends. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Securely logging out of all devices on Mobile Legends is easy. When you are on the main dashboard of the app, tap your profile icon from the top left. Select Account from the left sidebar. Now select Account Center. In the Account Center, tap Sign Out All Devices. Your account will now be signed out anywhere it was signed in. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mobile Legends tips and tricks.